Promoting your Amazon affiliate website, Part 1. Creating an Amazon affiliate website is a magnificent first step towards the life that you have always dreamt about, including sound financial stability and a job that doesn't feel like a job anymore. And in order to make your Amazon affiliate business pay for more than your bills, you need to hone out your online marketing skills, because as you can see, the Amazon affiliate program is quite different than other online affiliate programs. Because good product reviews are the pillar of a decent Amazon affiliate website, you will have to go several steps further to have an advantage over your competition and make the most out of your affiliate offers. So in this video, we are going to show you the most successful methods to promote your Amazon affiliate websites. Always link to your posts. One of the best ways to make the content on your Amazon affiliate website relevant, no matter how much time passes, is to always put links between your content. You can do this by linking to other product pages using in-text URLs within your content. Take, for example, this post about the best wireless exercise earbuds using an in-text URL that links to a different product page, which also has affiliate links. This way it ensures that older posts continue to be relevant. Create lots of DIY content. DIY, or do-it-yourself content, is an amazing traffic magnet because everybody likes to start a good project. And the more tools that list for a DIY project, the better it will convert. Do-it-yourself tutorials are amazing for bringing in traffic from search engine queries to your website. Another benefit of DIY content is that it doesn't look like marketing at all to your visitors, because it's there to guide them through a process that can be hard to tackle by themselves. Take this DIY car wash project page, which casually inserts affiliate links to relevant products. Fine-tune your SEO skills. We already told you the importance of using long-tail keywords on every piece of product-oriented content within your website, but that might have been an understatement, because using the appropriate keywords is what will allow you to reach the kind of people interested in the types of products that you promote on your Amazon affiliate website. To find which keywords are useful to use on your niche websites, you can simply use Google. There is one thing that will allow you to learn which keywords or set of keywords will leave you with the highest profits, and that is when your keywords are auto-completed in the search bar before you finish entering the search query. Apply these simple techniques on your blogs and see how immediate the results can be. Promoting your Amazon affiliate website, Part 2. In our latest video, we showed you how to easily promote the most profitable content in your Amazon affiliate website by using a series of high-converting yet easy-to-apply methods that would not require you to shell out any money and that would only require you to put in a bit of technical effort. And in this video, we're going to show you a series of online tools that can help you to promote your Amazon affiliate website without having to worry about going over budget. The rating widget plugin. Although it's super amazing and very important to make your content rank on top of Google result pages, it can happen that sometimes your content can be lost among results if people are looking after something too specific, which will make them dismiss some results, including yours. The rating widget plugin will help you to avoid this by allowing you to directly insert a star rating system into your WordPress posts, which will highlight your content among others on search engine results. The Sumo plugin. The Sumo plugin is a free lead capturing tool that will allow you to offer to your affiliate site visitors an easy way to sign up for a newsletter or email list so you can use email marketing to promote your Amazon affiliate website. SumoMe has additional features besides easy newsletter signups, such as a heat map feature that will allow you to see where your visitors are clicking so you can study their behavior and prepare better marketing strategies. The Queries plugin. Queries is a free plugin that will allow you to insert micro-surveys on your Amazon affiliate websites, which can help you to discover stuff about your visitors, such as purchasing habits, demographics, time spent on the internet daily, and perhaps even their income brackets. The Thank Me Later plugin. Most of the time, people make comments on a website and forget about it, but this is a plugin that will allow you to send thank you emails to people after they leave a comment for the first time on your site, which is great because it increases engagement and repeating visitors. The Dig plugin. This plugin will allow you to insert social sharing buttons that will make it easier for your visitors to share your content on basically any of the social platforms that matter, which is great if you want others to socially promote your Amazon affiliate website without you asking. The WP Touch mobile plugin. Having a fully responsive website has become more important than ever, and it's quite surprising that even big platforms such as Google AdSense just recently introduced mobile ad units, which is leaving a lot of money out on the table for internet marketers. The WP Touch mobile plugin is the answer to that. Just install it on your WordPress site and boom, you now have a fully responsive site to easily promote your mobile traffic.